In this video, I'll be explaining conditional mail merge, and also I'm going to show you guys how you can create one for yourself in a few minutes. So you can see I have created one here. Let me swap through the ages and you can see rules changes. So I did it this way. If your age is above 25, you should get this message. If you are below 25, you get a different message. So you see aspiring leader, and 21 is the same thing. 22 changes to smoothly. You get it adapt smoothly. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very, very simple, nothing complicated. So we are going to do the same here at this section, right? Good. So to create a mail merge, the conditional mail merge, we just put our cursor there and you can see the rules here. Tap on rules and we are going to choose if then else. Good. So now we are going to select from the age rather. So I think the age is better. So let's say you are at school and you've given admission out and you are, trying to send some messages to people below the age of 18 and people above 25 or something. That's what we are going to do. So we have an age and the age should be equal to, greater than or equal to. Good. So let's make it 25. Good. So if the person is greater than or equal to 25 years old, we display the message kudos, right? What did I write there? Kudos. And if the person is below 25, that's 24 going, we add something like good job. Yeah, so after that you just press on OK and good. You can see Raphael is displaying kudos and the next one is displaying kudos too as well. Now let's try to swap between. You see good job, so this below 25 and kudos. Yeah, so that's it on how you create a conditional mail merge on Microsoft Word. It's very, very simple. Just have something in mind, you get me? So you are delivering message to a lot of people. Maybe some are younger, some are older, or maybe if the client is a male, you send something. If it's a female, you send something. So you just come here to your rules, if and then else. So here you see I selected age. So the second example I was giving you, I said if the person is a female or male, so it means you're going to select title rather. And I use this Excel data. Let me tap on OK. And let me come here. I think I have my Excel data opened here. Good. So you can see the titles of these, entries. This is a fake data I used. So if the person is Mr., you kind of give some information. If the person is Mrs., you kind of give some sort of information, the mail merge. And these are the ages I used for the first tutorial. Yeah, you see 31, 19, 33 and the rest. So that's it on how you create a mail merge. It's very simple, not anything complicated. But then if you have good understanding in programming, I think it's going to be more simpler for you. So it depends on what you want to do. You just think around it and then you do it. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section and I'm going to do well to give you guys an explanation or answer on that. If you want me to do something for you too as well, you can contact me through my email on my YouTube channel's profile. That's it for the video. Once again, peace.